Power Maths is specifically built for the UK classroom, drawing on expertise from Southeast Asian colleagues. This is reflected in our author team, which includes Tony Staneff from White Rose Maths and Professor Liu, author of a best-selling textbook programme in China. The materials were designed in collaboration with current classroom practitioners and mastery specialists through our Teacher Partner programme. Power Maths has been developed with the growth mindset approach at its heart, to promote the ethos that by working hard at maths, all children can succeed. 4 characters appear throughout the materials, encouraging discussion, offering ideas and modelling characteristics of a growth mindset that we'd like children to emulate. We partnered with White Rose Maths to create a shared progression of small steps children need to take to master the content in each year group. Teachers have the flexibility to spend longer on a topic or lesson where they need to. Each lesson is written by thinking about the sequence of small steps children need to take to master the key idea for that day, so all children can progress together.